Hi Year 11s, it's me again. I just want to run through this quick mini lesson on managing your time in the SAC and how to get your plan in order so you're ready to go and get this essay done in the time that is allotted. If you look at our learning intention, how can I manage my time in the SAC and success criteria, I can plan a contention and 3 body paragraphs in response to an essay topic. Which will be coming out really soon for you guys. I can write an introduction and a body paragraph in relation to the essay topic, and it's really important that you would do all of this within 1 hour. This gives you your second hour to write the last 2 paragraphs and the conclusion, and do any tidying up that you need to do. Okay, so this document is to be used to assist you to plan your essay, basically. And the next slide, so using PowerPoint as a template to build your essay. So it's 12:30, you open the SAC, and this is your topic. You have 1 hour to create a full plan for your essay and write an introductory body paragraph. As I said, the second hour should be used to complete your essay and edit. Use all of the time that you are given. You should be familiar with these running through this. This is similar to what we've been doing all week. Okay, so making a plan. So type in your chosen essay topic right here. This is when you get your 2 essay topics, type the chosen one in here. Plan your contention. We spoke about contentions through the week, and your contention is your point of view in relation to the topic. Okay, do you agree? Do you not agree? That's your first part, so that's your stance. The contention then is based on your stance. Okay, so think clearly about what your contention is going to be, because the rest of your essay hinges on that. And remember, your contention is in relation to a big idea. It's not just character driven. This is the themes we're talking about. It's going to be a themed essay that you're writing about. The contention will be in relation to those themes. Okay. The next part is planning your body paragraphs. Okay, remember the point of your body paragraphs is to prove your contention. Okay, so by proving your contention is backing up your arguments. Okay, so you're going to need 3 reasons to back up your contention. Reason 1 would become paragraph 1. Reason 2 would become paragraph 2. Reason 3, paragraph 3. Again, think of these in terms of the bigger ideas. Lots of people handed me back practice SACs, and they were in relation to something that happened very specific in the play. You cannot write an essay based on something as narrow as that. These are big ideas to back up your contention. Okay, so 3 big reasons in relation to the idea. Okay, once you've got those, it's time to make your paragraph. Okay, so now detail of your body paragraphs. Okay, so again in here, type in what reason number 1. So reason number 1 goes in here. You're building your paragraph. Okay, we're looking at this in terms of the what, how, why. Okay, we did another way in a couple of classes before that. You can build a paragraph a number of different ways. This is, I think, an easier way of doing it. So let's look at this one. So you have your reason here. You start thinking what is obviously meaning about the words that now is expressing. Okay, this is really useful because it gets you thinking outside the text and inside the text. Okay, first one is getting you to think outside, so it really helps with the teal. This is like an explanation type thing. How does he express it? Characters, events, setting, techniques. You show me evidence there. Okay, this naturally sets you up for a teal type paragraph. Okay, this is why this is going to be really useful. Okay, why is he doing it this way? Again, how is the audience going to respond? What is happening in here? Again, you're explaining. Okay, you might have to do this twice within the paragraph to get your point across. But this will get you doing teal. Okay, for people that were struggling with teal, this will help. Okay, when you have that done, you have your plan for paragraph 1. You move on to the next slide. Next slide, exact same thing. So you put your second reason right in here, and again, you work your way through the steps, okay? So in relation to your second reason, what's the hidden meaning, what the word that now is expressing in relation to that reason? And how does he express it? Again, feeds into teal. By the time you get to the end, you're ready to go with your paragraph, okay? Paragraph 3 does the same thing. Once you have the 3 of those done, move right on into writing your introduction, okay? Your introduction will be based on really on the 3 paragraphs that you already have planned for, okay? So we start by introducing the text and the author. We know about that. So kind of an opening planned sentence that just kind of sets it up. And the second sentence should provide some background contextual information that is relevant to the essay, okay? So as a topic and contention, okay? So you stick that in there. Your contention is stated next. And then briefly outline the 3 arguments that you will be making in the body paragraphs. So that's your 3 reasons. You will be stating those again. Okay? That's it. That's your body paragraph ready to go. That's the last slide you have here. Once you have that done, limit yourself to an hour only to get all of those done. You transfer the information then onto your Word, Google Doc, whatever you're going to use. Spend the second hour getting paragraphs 2, 3, and the conclusion together, and use the last sort of 15, 20 minutes to really tidy it all up and make it nice and shiny that you get the best possible marks. That's all from me, and that's all I can really help you with at this stage. Just want to wish all of you the very, very best of luck. I hope it goes amazingly for you. I know that you are all very, very capable of doing this, and use the time well, and best of luck to you. Okay, cheers.